Yes, you might notice me that I'm Brazos Fryok and well, here's the thing. Round 2 just broke down. You can see. Oh, sorry. It's on the ground, see? It's on the ground. Isn't that weird? No, that's not. No lie, no lie. Just look, there's our own trampoline. And here. Alright. So I'm going to be on the trampoline. As you can see here, see I'm on the trampoline and all and stuff. But if you look, see that I'm on the trampoline? Still, yes, that's the. You know that other. I got a cut. My mom told me not to go in there. She did, no, and you know what I mean, right? You don't. Well, yeah. I'll just put you on the tree. Seriously, I did. Well, the real thing that I really want is that to, well, you know who I am, right? Brazos Fryok. Yeah, watch my videos. Here's my sister. 1 second. Yeah, I'm actually going on a scooter right too.
What happens if you when you bleed it? What happens?
Annika, stop. They already know that. I just
No.
yes.
What happened when you bleed it? I wasn't watching.
Oh, I have no idea.
Oh, did you just swing on the tire swing?
Yes, I don't know how I.
Maybe you banged your knee into something.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Who's gonna leave that box there? Me? No.
Well, that's sort of the end of this video. Yeah.
Mom thinks your scooters are in the
I said get your scooters, guys. Put Brazos, you need on hands.
Okay. Am I a beautiful person or not? I know I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I don't think I'm beautiful. Even if you're a guy or a girl. Bye.
Brazos, are you ready?